Hello, it's Lori Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie, and we are on day 6 of our 14-day challenge. At the end of this video and in the description, it will give you details on where to go to do the challenges and win prizes, and it is on our Facebook group, so I encourage you to go there. Today, we're going to tell you how to get a perfect picture so that your item can sell even faster. So we're going to be doing this by using clear, light color backgrounds, and we're going to tell you why you want to do this, okay? So let's keep in mind that not only has Google and eBay been telling us to do this for years, now Poshmark is insistent upon it. So within the new algorithm, I'm going to air quote because some of us know there's not an algorithm, but we all call it an algorithm. Okay, there is one, there isn't one. It's like kind of like Sasquatch, right? We all know he's out there. We just can't prove it. But in any case, so we want to show you how this makes a big difference. So you're going to see some samples coming up here shortly, and we're going to talk about what's great about them, what's not so great about them, and what could be done to improve upon them. And I think sometimes seeing things for yourself is the best way to learn. So we're going to show you some pictures of different items for sale on Poshmark. So this one right here, this dress is super cute. They have it on a window, so the light is excellent. And you know what? They've got it on a white background, but you can tell it's a mattress, right? That's a little off-putting. So what they could have done is just cropped this photo and brought it up to where people couldn't tell it was a mattress. And I think that that would have been fine. I mean, you do with what you have, right? But just cropping that up would have made a big difference. Here we have someone, they have this really cute dress. It's in their office. You can see their office supplies. It's actually quite tidy, but at the same time, it's just busy. So it's hard to focus on the dress. So I would say they should probably put it to a white background. If they don't have a white background, they can take a picture in front of, or maybe a more curated type of background, then definitely Photoroom would be good for this seller. So this seller, oh my gosh, I want that backdrop and those flowers in my house, right? It's adorable. But right now, Poshmark and Google, eBay, all of them are telling us use white backgrounds because it's going to pick up in Google search better. So as cute as this background is, they're going to sell their items better if they have a, even if it's not completely white, a more solid background. So here we have a little blue dress. It's laying on the floor. That's off-putting to some people. You guys, I lay my pants on the floor outside of my studio on a carpet that I never step on. But do my customers know that? No. So I still remove the background so it looks like a nice, crisp, white background. And I actually quite like this navy blue with the wood. But again, we're talking about what's going to make sales. And what's going to make sales is a clear, softer color background. So this is a no for a different reason. This photo is so cute. That wallpaper, I want it, right? But this is a dress. All we can see is the top of it. We need to see the whole thing. And even if that background was in there, that would be better just seeing the whole dress. And it is a little bit busy for a photograph for a product, right? We're not selling our homes. We're not showing off our decor. We're trying to sell a dress. So they really needed to have focused on just the dress and definitely showing the whole ones. You guys, these photos, they're just not clear. The details aren't there. And even though they're kind of on a white background to a degree, there's just so much going on in these photos that it kind of scatters your mind, right? So they would have been better off maybe getting a little bit more light on the one to the right, and the one on the left, just a less busy background. We got this black stripe with the long skinny maxi dress. There's so much space on each side, and it's just would be so much better with white backgrounds. Same with these. So this person literally hung their dress up maybe in a closet or something and took a picture with all kinds of clothes underneath it. Google is never going to find that. Customers are going to have a hard time grasping what it is that they're buying. And the one on the left, I have that ruffle shower curtain. I used to have that ruffle shower curtain. It's absolutely adorable. It's just a little bit too busy for the dress, right? Like maybe if it was like a more stiff blazer or something like that, that would be just fine because it's light. Now we're going to show you some good photographs that's simple. It needs no editing. They put it in front of a white wall. They're in good light and they don't have to go to photo room and do any editing. And if that's what you want to do, I encourage you to do so. Find a light white, gray, tan, nothing that throws off yellows, nothing that's bright. It's got to be very light. And just put your item in front of it, have good light, and this too will also work. And here I want to show you, these are actually mine. I wanted to bring some of mine in and kind of show you my photography and what I do. You guys can judge me as much as you need to, but this is used as a photo room background remover. So like the maxi dresses, you know how hard it is to get way back. You have to go way back to get these square photos. But if you take away the background, it makes a huge difference. In my opinion, it makes a huge difference. Another thing I want to talk about, if you have the capability to have a dress form for dresses, they will sell so much better on a dress form. Not always. I do put my sheath dresses, like my Calvin Klein sheath dresses, sometimes I hang them up. Or like a plus size dress where it makes it look funny on the mannequin, then I will put it on a hanger. Okay, but I wanted to kind of give you these tidbits of information, kind of see for yourself that a clear white background can work. It doesn't always look staunch and generic. Okay, and you can use a light color background. It doesn't have to be perfectly white. And I'm telling you, this is going to make you more money. And why will it make you more money? Because it is a proven fact. It is required by certain websites that you have a clear white background when you are selling a product, meaning that you are looking like a store on Google, okay, and not like a garage sale, so to speak. So I hope this has helped. I hope this will encourage you to get busy and try Photo Room. They do have a free app that's limited. I don't know if you can do batch, but for your iPhone and your Android, the very least you can do is change your cover photo. And they even have like soft gray. You can add a shadow. They have like marble designs. It's real pale, like it's not like busy. So I encourage you to go onto Photo Room. You just have to download the app on your phone and try it out. And here is the web address. It's photoroom.com if you want to check it out on your computer. I've never used it on my computer. I don't even know if you can. This might just be information. But I also want to tell you about a free option as well called Remove.bg. And I think it's actually just you put in Remove.bg and you're going to find it. The only thing with that one is it only will do one photo at a time. Okay, but I do know you can use that on your computer. So any of you that don't have a phone to use it to use the photo room, I do encourage you to go and look at Remove BG. And that's what I started out on, and it works just fine. All right, you guys. So get ready to watch how to use Photo Room. I have a clip coming up here at the end, and at the very end, it'll give you all the information on how to find our Facebook group. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the next challenge. You guys, I really appreciate you joining me on this. I can tell you that I have been working on this for 5 weeks. My sales are not only up on Poshmark, they are doing even better than what they was before. So I feel blessed to have listened to so many good resellers. I feel blessed for Poshmark teaching me things. And you guys, I just realized watching is spelled wrong on here. You're going to see misspellings. I apologize. I throw this stuff together in a very mindful manner. Don't get me wrong, but I'm doing this on top of my already full-time job. I want to share this with you guys. I want to get this out here. So while my videos are not professional level, the information that it provides, I hope, is helpful and valuable. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, it's Lori Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie, and I'm doing my video today about how you should be turning your backgrounds white or taking them up against a white or a light colored wall. Nothing busy, nothing in the background, no other items in the picture with other than the item that you're selling. And I know that flat lays, they're beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love
those. I mean, I absolutely love them. I would never have time to do that, but when I see them, it's like, it makes happy feelings, right? But if you want to be seen by the more of the masses, Google and eBay for years have been telling us to turn things to a white background. Now Poshmark is, so that's why it's becoming more important to us Poshmark sellers to compete with everybody out there in the internet, like on Google. So we're going to go to Photoroom. We're going to go to the app, and I actually have an Android. I'm getting ready to change to an iPhone, so I'll redo this video when I do that as well. So you can go down on the bottom left, and if you guys can't see this because Facebook cuts it off, on the bottom left hand corner it's going to say create, and if you hit that you can do just one picture. Well, I'm going to hit start new batch. Okay, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to show you a few things. So I'm going to choose that dress. But I'm going to choose, do you see this wallet I have like on top of a tape measure just sitting there? Okay, I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to choose that one. I did some bright colored things this evening. Okay, you see how it turned all the photos white? You can stop right there and hit export. So you could hit export, save to gallery. Just like that. That easy. So now it's saved to your phone. But you could click on the picture, and you gotta click on it twice and click on it again when you see that square. You could turn this around, do this, come down here and add a little shadow, and then hit the up on the top was a download button and save to gallery. You can also do backgrounds as well. I'll see if I can figure that out real quick, you guys. I don't do it that often. Uh-oh. I hit a wrong button. Just ignore that. Okay, so background. So you could pick different colors if you wanted to, or you could hit replace, and then you could hit, I know we wouldn't want a background like this, right? But I'm just showing you could have a lot of fun with this app anyways, like with kids' photos and stuff. So that's just a really cool feature. I'm actually going to save that. That would be a good picture for Depop. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how easy it was to do Photoroom and how, it would just add a lot to your business. But I want to show you how fast this is, okay? So let's go down into my pictures where I have a bunch of pictures that don't have a white background. These haven't been lightened yet, but we're just going to still use them for samples. I'm going to come down here until I see them again. Okay, so I have selected 21 pictures. Let's do an even 25. Even 25. An odd 25, but 25 because you only do 50 at once. And just kind of see how quickly this goes. Keep in mind, a lot of you around more cell towers, this would probably be even faster. I'm in the middle of nowhere. And a lot of cell phone services don't even work where I live, just two, AT&T and Verizon, that's it. So keep that in mind too, that it would probably be a lot faster even for someone that had better cell service. But there's some sites, like right now we'd be having to poke every single picture. And you see how that dress down here, the second row, it's crooked. I went back and actually poked on that like I showed you guys with that purse and made that straight. So, it's handy. It's just a really handy tool, and I really enjoy it. I play with it with my grandkids' pictures, and I use it for Depop backgrounds because, Depop likes loud, crazy graphic stuff. And then using it for the white background so that my photos look like they're professional. Okay, and just as easy as that, they're all done. All you got to do is hit export, save to gallery. I'm going to have those pictures saved a whole lot of times, but save to gallery, and that's it, you guys. So just cool beans, right?